Hey there, welcome back to Oils with Lynn. I'm so excited to share this with you today because these are some of my favorite little life hacks when it comes to using essential oils. You know, a lot of people think you need a diffuser to enjoy your oils, but honestly, some of my favorite ways to use them don't require one at all, and they're really simple. So let me show you a few of my go-to tricks. The first one, this is such a fun one for the bathroom. All you do is take your toilet paper roll and add a few drops of your favorite essential oil right into the cardboard tube on the inside. That's it. Every time someone uses that toilet paper, it gently diffuses the scent into the air. It's like a built-in air freshener that's completely natural and it's easy to use. One of my favorite oils to use here is Citrus Bliss. It just makes everything smell clean and fresh and happy. And right along with that, this works so well in your kitchen. You can do the same thing with your paper towels. Just add a few drops of essential oil on the cardboard tube inside your paper towel roll. And as you use the paper towels, it lightly diffuses into your kitchen and keeps things smelling fresh and yummy. I love to use citrus oils here, like lemon, lime, wild orange, or grapefruit. It just gives that kitchen that bright, clean, and uplifting feel. I think you'll love that one. Okay, all right, the next one, this one is perfect to use at night. You can add a drop or two of lavender right onto your pillow or your child's pillow. It's such a simple way to create a calming bedtime routine, and it helps everyone just sleep a little more soundly. It's a sweet little habit at the end of the day. Okay, and this next one, if you haven't tried it yet, you are seriously missing out. Just add a couple drops of eucalyptus right on the floor of your shower. So as you're showering, as the warm water and steam builds, it creates this amazing spa-like experience. It's just so refreshing. It helps wake you up and it really opens up your air passageways. You can also use Breathe for this. And once you try it, I am telling you, you're not going to want to go back to having showers any other way. It's one of my favorite ways to start the day. This next one is for you. If you're in your car a lot, you're going to love this next one. You can make your own little car diffuser by simply gluing a piece of felt onto a clothespin, or you can also use one of those big paper clips. By adding a few drops of essential oil onto the felt and then clipping it right into your air vent inside your car, when the air flows, it diffuses the scent throughout your car. I love using Northern Escape for this, especially if I'm stuck in traffic. It just brings that calming forest feeling, like I can take a deep breath and reset, even in the middle of a really busy day. And then, of course, one of the easiest ways is your own personal diffuser is always with you. It's your hands. You can just add a drop of essential oil in the palm and then rub them together. Cup your hands over your nose and take a deep breath in. This is such a powerful way to shift how you're feeling in the moment. You can use citrus oils if you need a little uplift, adaptive or serenity if you're feeling overwhelmed and you need to calm down, or peppermint. I like to use peppermint and wild orange together. Or maybe some Breathe if you want to open up your airways and feel refreshed. So simple, quick, but yet very effective. If you've loved these simple ideas, I have something fun for you. I have a guide called 100 Uses for Essential Oils, and I think you're going to get so much inspiration from it. You can grab that in the description below. And if you're interested in getting any of the essential oils I shared today, some of my personal favorites, I've also included a link where you can find these as well. Thanks so much for being here with me today. I hope this gave you a few new, easy ways to bring your oils into your everyday life. I'll see you guys in the next video.